how to create an event on Instagram. Event reminders let your followers get notified about an upcoming event directly from your post. To use this feature, you need to have a professional or business Instagram account. If you don't have one, you can switch your account type in Instagram's settings. Start by opening the Instagram app and tapping the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. Choose whether you want to upload a photo or video, then select the media from your gallery. After selecting, you can use Instagram's editing tools and filters to adjust your post. Once you're happy with it, tap Next. On the next screen, you will see options to add a caption, tag people, and More option. Tap to More option. Look for the Add Reminder option and tap on it. A new screen will appear where you can enter the event name, date, and time. Once you have entered the details, tap Done. When you're ready, tap Share to publish your post with the event reminder. Once posted, your followers will see the option to get a reminder for your event. If they tap on it, Instagram will send them a notification when the event is about to start. That's how to create an event on Instagram.